وَلَا تَقُولُوا لِمَنْ يُقْتَلُ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَمْوَاتٌ. Don't call them who are killed in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that they are dead. They are not dead, بَلْ أَحْيَاءٌ, they are living. وَلَكِنْ لَا تَشْعُرُونَ. But you can't have the feeling. You can't have the consciousness. You can't know that they are living. They are living in another world. As a matter of fact, the concept of life according to Quran and Islam is that death is actually not an end of life. It's only a change of the condition of life. From one form of life to another life. This is Hayatul Dunya, the life of this world. As soon as you die, you enter the Hayatul Barzakh. That is also a life. In the grave also, in that Barzakh intervening period also, there is going to be reflection of your end after the Day of Judgment. If you are to go to the paradise, you know you will have a reflection of that. Coming events cast their shadows before, even in this intervening period. If someone is going to the hell, because he knows what he has done, you know the reflection of the things to come will start coming in his grave. Then the third life is actually the life of the hereafter, when after resurrection, bodily resurrection, then you know there is to die. So actually it's life all the way. But you know, change of life from one form to other. But especially for shuhada, it has been specified in the Quran that straight off they go to Jannah. Directly, without any intervening period. Not only in grave. In grave, every moment, every pious moment, every righteous moment is having a reflection of Jannah, is having a smell of Jannah. But the shuhada, people who are killed in the way of Allah, they go straight to Jannah. There's no intervening period whatsoever.